Service in Wilmington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Warren County, southwestern Fayette County, Ohio, Clinton County, north central Highland County, until 11 p.m. At 10:11 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Waynesville, moving east at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, minor hail damage to vehicles is possible. Expect wind damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Wilmington, Waynesville, Sabina, Leesburg, New Vienna, Clarksville, Harveysburg, Martinsville, Corwin, Highland, Melvin, Fort Ancient, Samantha, Oakland, Lees Creek, Cedar Creek State Park, Morrisville, Ogden, Kingman, and Interstate 71 at U.S. Route 68. This includes I-71 in Ohio between mile markers 35 and 53. You are listening to NOAA Weather, All Hazards Radio, KIG 86, Columbus, Ohio, originating from the National Weather Service office in Wilmington, Ohio. We have interrupted our regular programming as severe weather is affecting our listening area.